How to clear hidden cache files on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear out your hidden cache files on Android. First method is to clear the cache manually and individually on the apps. For that, go to Settings, then find the apps. Click on any one of the apps where you want to clear your cache. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right, and you should be good to go. You can do this for as many apps that you want. Go to Storage, and then tap on Clear Cache. The second step is to use a storage cleaner. Phones these days come with a default storage cleaner. For that, you can go over to Device Care, and then Memory. It's going to check. You'll have an option to clean up your memory, so just tap on it, Clean Now, and you can clear out junk files, thumbnails, or other hidden cache. Then you can also go ahead and clear browsing cache. It's quite easy, so for that, open up your browser, and then tap on the three dots at the top right, tap on Settings, go to Privacy and Security, delete browsing data, make sure cached images and files is selected. You can select your timeline. I'll just do last 24 hours. Tap on Delete Data. You should be good to go. Now once that is done, you can restart your phone regularly. Long press on power button, tap on Restart, and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.